We are one with the universe. We belong to a solar system of 8 planets that orbit the Sun. The Sun is the largest object in our solar system. Planets in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto is formerly the 9th planet of our solar system. However, it has lost its planetary status and is now considered to be a dwarf planet. Pluto is also the largest object in the Kuiper Belt. What is the Kuiper Belt? Well, the Kuiper Belt is a set of objects including comets at the outer region of our solar system. Also located at the outermost region of our solar system is the Oort cloud. The Oort cloud contains long-range comets as well as the comets that are included in the Kuiper Belt. And these comets tend to travel far from the outermost regions of the solar system to the innermost region of the solar system and then orbit the Sun in an elliptical orbit. And sometimes they may pose a threat to the planets in our solar system. The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. It is a gas giant and it has a red spot, which is actually a storm that has been raging for 300 million years. The only habitable planet in our solar system is Earth, and that is where we live. People in the space industry have plans to actually go to Mars to live. Yes, they're planning to terraform the planet to make it habitable for humans. We look forward to those times when we'll be able to travel as a space tourist in the various spacecrafts that they have and get to the planet Mars to explore, similarly to how the rovers explore the planet. Oh, what a day that will be when we get to go on that glorious planetary exploration. Planets with the most moons in our solar system are the gas giants. The gas giants include Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Mars. The other planets in the system have 2 moons, while some have no moons and others have 1. Places on Earth are actually replicas of the planetary conditions on other planets in our solar system. Yes, these areas are not really habitable. They are sometimes filled with sulfuric acid, and sulfuric acid is very dangerous. Whilst these areas are fascinating and beautiful, basically they're just for tourists to visit and carefully look at, but never to step into or to allow any contact with their body. The gas giants in our solar system have rings. These planets include Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. Whilst it may be a little difficult to see the rings on Jupiter and Uranus and Neptune, they exist. But Saturn is the one that shows its glorious ring the most. However, it is not the only ringed planet in our solar system. Mercury and Venus are not habitable planets, right? Neither are the gas giants. However, Earth stands in the midst as the only place that we are sure that humans can survive. Mercury is the 2nd hottest planet in our solar system. Venus takes 1st place, even though it is the most windy planet in our solar system. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, therefore, it is also very dusty and windy on Mars. Earth's atmosphere protects it from asteroids and comets. Normally, when these objects enter our atmosphere, they are burnt up. In Mars and Jupiter, there is the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt contains many objects, and these objects are short-range asteroids, or some are considered near objects. They tend to leave the asteroid belt and rotate around the sun or orbit the sun in an elliptical orbit. They pose danger to the inner planets. Most of the planets are protected by Jupiter. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.